Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you the quick recipe of fried pea. Let's start. First, we will take chickpea 1 cup or as you want. We will add 1 cup water with it and keep it for 5 hours. When the chickpea will blow, we will drain the water and dry it very goodly. Now take it. Now we pour some oil to a hot pan. Make sure that the pan is hot. Now put the chickpea here and cover it for 5 minutes. Now we will mix it and cover it again. Now we will make masala. Pour 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt and mix it well. And save for later. Now the fried pea is almost done. Cover it again. Now the fried pea is done and we will take it in a serving dish with a kitchen towel. Now take off the kitchen towel and add the masala and mix it well. Now my fried pea is done. See you on next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Hush.